Kumusta kayo mga kamatibay? Ngayon, meron naman tayong bagong pag-aaralan. O ano, handa na ba kayo? Okay, ngayon ay aalamin natin kung paano mag-divide ng polynomials. Okay, ito yung objective. Okay, sa pag-divide ng polynomials, gamit ang long division method or yung ginagamit natin na pag-divide, yung long method. Okay, ito yung kailangan nating tandaan bago tayo magsimula. Kailangan alam natin yung operation on integers. Halimbawa, ayan, pag-subtract ng like sign or pag-add ng like sign or pag-divide ng unlike sign or pag-multiply ng unlike sign. Yung 4 operations. Pero yung gamit lang talaga dito sa pag-divide ay yung pag-subtract and divide and multiply. The next, addition and multiplication of polynomials. Dapat marunong tayong mag-add ng polynomials. O kagaya niyan. Negative 5x plus 10x is equal to 5x. Or pag multiply. So we have 5x times 2x minus
1
is equal to 10x squared minus 5x. So tandaan ha, pag polynomial, meron niyang mga exponent or tinatawag na exponent, leading coefficient, or numerical coefficient, then variables or variable. Then, kailangan tandaan natin yung mga terms na to. Standard form, leading term, constant term. Okay. Standard form. Ibig sabihin, arrangement of terms according to their exponent. So, naka-arrange yung terms or yung polynomials according sa kanilang exponent. Kagaya nito. Okay, tingnan nyo yung exponent, yung 3, 2, then x. Yung x ay may imaginary 1 yan. So, naka-arrange siya from highest to lowest or decreasingly. Then, leading term, yung leading term na tinatawag ay yung may pinakamataas na exponent or yung nasa first. Then, first term. Then, yung constant is yung walang variable or yung pinaka last term. So, that is the constant. Then, of course, kailangan alam natin yung tinatawag na dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. So, pag dividend, nasa inside the symbol siya. Yung symbol natin is parang kung lang siya, L, pabaliktad na L. Yung nasa loob niyan ay dividend, yung 109, that is dividend. Then, left side, that is divisor. Quotient, yung nasa taas, no? That is 21. Then, remainder is nasa baba, or that is 4. So, di ba pag nag-divide tayo ng ganito, apply din natin yung division, multiplication, and subtraction. So, mag-divide muna, then multiply, then subtract. Okay, yun. Proceed na tayo. Okay, ito yung example number 1. We will divide 4x cubed plus 26x plus 320 plus 21x squared by x plus 5. So, that is the polynomial. So, we have many steps kailangan sundan. No? Step 1. Change the dividend and divisor into standard form if needed. So, di ba yung standard form, yung from highest to the lowest exponent. Then, write the dividend and divisor so with a symbol. So, yung symbol ng long division method. So, i-change muna natin into standard form. Kailangan mauna yung may pinakamataas na term, na exponent, I'm sorry. Then we have 4x cubed. Yan yung pinakamataas. Pangalawa, 21x squared. Pangatlo ay 26x. Then pang-apat, 320. So, dapat nakaganyan siya. Naka-arrange na. Then, of course, kailangan natin ma-determine kung nasaan yung dividend at saka divisor. Okay. Yan yung dividend. Then, ito yung divisor. Diba yung dividend ay nasa loob? Then, yung divisor ay nasa left side. Okay na. Yan yung symbol. Then, ayan. So, meron na tayong i-divide na polynomial. Step 2. Divide the leading term or first term of dividend by the first term or leading term of divisor. So, i-divide lang natin yung first term or leading term ng dividend at saka divisor. Okay, yung first term or leading term ng dividend ay 4x cubed. Then, yung first term of divisor is x. So, yan yung dalawa. Ang dalawang yan ang ating i-divide. So, we have 4x cubed minus, divided by x. We have, so, di ba yung x, meron siyang imaginary one na exponent, then imaginary one na numerical coefficient. So, when we divide, 4 divide 1 is 4. Di ba? Then, x cubed divided by x. So, yung x merong imaginary one. So, once we divide variable with exponent, yung exponent niya, mag-subtract lang. No? So, yung 3, subtract ng, or babawasan yung 3 ng 1. Kasi may, yung x merong imaginary 1. So, we have 4x squared na lang. So, yan na yung una nating sagot. No? So, lagay na natin dyan sa ating sagot, 4x squared. Then, next, step 3, multiply the result by the divisor. So, yung result natin, i-multiply natin sa divisor. We have 4x squared, multiply natin sa divisor. So, sa pag-multiply, una natin i-multiply yung 4x squared times x. We have 4x cubed. Sa pag-multiply, kailangan i-add natin yung dalawang, yung exponent. No, yung exponent ng isa is 2, then yung exponent ng isa is 1. Kaya naging 3 siya, or cube. That is 4x cubed. Then, next natin i-multiply ay 4x squared multiplied by 5. Then, yung result niyan is 20x squared. Okay, then, lagay na natin dito. So, we have 4x cubed plus 20x squared. Then, step 4, subtract the dividend by the result. And step 3. So, yung sa number 3 ay i-subtract. Ano? So, 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. Then, 21x squared minus 20x squared is, okay, x squared na lang. So, then, bring down 26 para maging binomial. Then, next, divide the first term of the result binomial by the first term of the divisor. Parang ganun din. Divide natin yung first term, then the first term of divisor. So, we have x squared divided by x. Then, x squared divided by x is equal to x na lang. Kasi diba yung x is mayroong imaginary 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1, or x na lang. Then, next is repeat step 3, then step 4, and step 5. So, yung sa mga step na to, i-multiply natin siya, then subtract, then ibalik naman natin hanggang umabot tayo sa remainder. So, next niyan ay, ito na, ilagay muna natin yung sagot. Multiply natin yung result by the divisor. So, we have x multiplied by the divisor. So, multiply x times x is equal to x squared. Then, next, we need to multiply x times 5. Then, the result is 5x, I'm sorry. Then, right here, so, next step, yung step 4 is subtract. So, x squared minus x squared, subtract natin is 0. Then, 26x minus 5x, the result is 21x. Now, bring down 320. Okay, then, let us divide 21x divided by x. Then, the result is 21. Diba? X is my imaginary one, then x is my imaginary one. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. Kaya ma-cancel yung x. So, then next, write natin yung sagot sa taas. Then, multiply. Multiply natin yung sagot sa divisor. 21 times x or x plus 5. So, yung una is i-multiply natin yung 21 times x. Yung result niyan is 21x. Then, next, 21 times 5. Okay. So, 21 times 5 is equal to 105. Okay, yan na yung ilalagay natin dito. Then, next is subtract. Subtract natin. 21x minus 21x is 0. Then, 320 minus 105, the result is 215. So, yan na yung pinaka-remainder natin, 215. Okay, then, our step 7 for the final answer, we write the quotient, then add the remainder over the divisor. So, parang ganito. Quotient muna, then plus, okay, yung remainder over divisor. Remainder natin is 215, then the divisor is x plus 5, diba? Napakadali lang yan. So, try pa natin yung another example. Example number 2. Divide x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 24 by x plus 4. Step 1. Change the dividend and divisor into standard form if needed. So, as we can see, naka-arrange na yung polynomials from highest exponent to the lowest. So, all we need to do is to determine the dividend and divisor. So, this is the first term. Then, second, third, then fourth. So, naka-standard form na siya. No need to change. Okay, this is the dividend, then the divisor. Okay, so we write, okay, our divisor is x plus 4, then the dividend is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 24. Step 2, divide the leading term or the first term or the leading term of divisor. Okay, our leading term dividend is 3 or x cubed. I'm sorry, x cubed divided by x. So we have x cubed divided by x is equal to x squared. Then we write as our quotient. Step 3, multiply the result by the divisor. Okay, multiply natin yung x squared by divisor. Okay, then x squared times x is equal to x cubed. Nag-add lang kasi may imaginary one yung x. Then, next to multiply is 4 by x squared. The result is 4x squared. So, we write here. Then, step 4, subtract the dividend by the result in step 3. Okay, yung result kanina is ito. Ito yon. Then, bring down the next term. So, subtract x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Then, 3x squared minus 4x squared, the result is, okay, negative x squared. Bring down negative 10x. Next, divide naman natin. Divide the first term by the first term of divisor, then first term of the result. So we have negative x squared divided by x. Then the result is negative x. So negative kasi yung unlike sign siya. Then x na lang kasi 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then we write here as minus x kasi negative. Then next is i-repeat natin yung step 3 and which is to multiply. Then pagkatapos to multiply, i-subtract. Then pagka-subtract, divide naman. Okay, para makuha yung remainder. So, okay, subtract na natin. Multiply na natin. So, we have negative x multiplied to divisor. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Then, next is negative x multiplied by 4. We have negative 4x. Okay, sulat natin dyan. Then, next, subtract negative x minus negative x, negative x squared minus negative x squared. So, since na subtract, then the sign is negative. So, we will change the sign, then proceed to addition. So, magiging addition yan, then magiging positive yung x squared sa baba. Kaya, yung result niya is 0. Then, next, negative 10x minus negative 4x. So, mag-change naman. Kaya, yung result niya is negative 6x. Then, bring down negative 24. The next step natin is divide naman natin yung negative 6x divided by x is equal to negative 6. Yung x may imaginary 1, kaya x. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. Kaya nawala yung x. Cancel out yung x. Then, next is, we write here, then multiply. Negative 6 multiplied by the divisor or x plus 4. Then times negative 6 times x. The result is negative 6x. Then next is negative 6 multiplied natin sa 4. That is negative 24. Then isulat natin dyan. So, dyan, isubtract na natin. So, since na negative na naman, i-change natin yung sign niya. Okay, negative 6 x plus 6x, the result is 0. Then negative 4 plus 24, the result is 0. So our remainder is equal to 0. Okay, and that is our quotient, x squared minus x minus 6. So for the final answer, we write the quotient, then add the remainder over the divisor. So as we can see, our remainder is 0. So no need to write remainder over divisor. So we can write our final answer as x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, that is the quotient. Okay, that's it. Ito lang yung kailangan nating tandaan. Okay, yung mga steps. Step 1, basahin nyo na lang. Then, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, then step 7. Ayan mga kamatibay. At sa mga gusto namang manalo, itry nyo naman ito sa inyong mga bahay. Okay, stay safe mga kamatibay. Yung ating polynomials or yung question natin, find the quotient of 6x cubed plus 17x minus 16x squared minus 6 divided by 3x minus 2. Kailangan merong solution. So, screenshot nyo na lang yung solution nyo. No? Dinesend. Okay. Kung nakuha nyo yung tamang sagot, of course, meron kayong 50 pesos instant load. Ano? So, ganun lang kadali. Kaya manood lang, matuto at manalo. Okay, dito nyo isend yung mga sagot nyo or yung mga na-screenshot nyo sa mga Facebook account na nakikita nyo. Ayan mga kamatibay, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana marami naman kayong natutunan sa ating videos. Huwag kalimutang i-share, subscribe, i-click yung mga button bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong videos. Manood, matuto at manalo. Alright? Maraming salamat.